Question number 1. What is the full form of PF? Option A. Profit formulates. B. Provident Fund. C. Proved financial terms. D. Provident Fund. Answer is option B. Provident Fund. Question number 2. What is the full form of KYC? Option A. Know your company. B. Know your campaign. C. Know your community. D. Know your customer. Answer is option D. Know your customer. Question number 3. What is the full form of GDP? Option A. Grand Domestic Product. B. Gross Domestic Product. C. Gross Defense Product. D. None of these. Answer is option B. Gross Domestic Product. Question number 4. What is the full form of OTP? Option A. One-time produces. B. One-time password. C. One-time payment. D. One-time process. Answer is option B. One-time password. Question number 5. What is the full form of PIN? Option A. Postal indent number. B. Postman index number. C. Past index number. D. Personal identification number. Answer is option D. Personal identification number. Question number 7. What is the full form of ATM? Option A. Anytime money. B. Auto truck of Mahindra. C. Automated teller machine. D. None of the above. Answer is option C. Automated teller machine. Question number 7. What is the full form of FD? Option A. Frequently developed. B. Fixed deposit. C. For dividend. D. Final debit. Answer is option B. Fixed deposit. Question number 8. What is the full form of FDI? Option A. Fiscal deficit interest. B. Fortune Development Inc. C. Foreign direct investment. D. For development in India. Answer is option C. Foreign direct investment. Question number 9. What is the full form of VAT? Option A. Value added tax. B. Total asset value. C. Value added term. D. Valuable total asset. Answer is option A. Value added tax. Question number 10. What is the full form of PAN? Option A kind of utensilence. B. Primary account number. C. Permanent account number. D. None of the above. Answer is option C. Permanent account number. Question number 11. What is the full form of EVM? Option A. Electronic vote machines education. B. Electronic voting machines. C. Electronic voters machines. D. Electrical voting machines. Answer is option B. Electronic voting machine. Question number 12. What is the full form of GNP? Option A. Gross national product. B. Gross net promotion. C. Gross net product. D. Global net profit. Answer is option A. Gross national product. Question number 13. What is the full form of SBI? Option A. Seller by investors. B. Safe insurance credit. C. State Investment Bureau. D. State Bank of India. Answer is option D. State Bank of India. Question number 14. What is the full form of RBI? Option A. Reserve Bank of India, B. Register Bank of India, C. River Bank of India, D. Regional Bank of India. Answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 15. What is the full form of NRI? Option A, non-rural immigrants, B, non-rural individuals, C, non-resident Indian, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, non-resident Indian. Question number 16. What is the full form of TDS? Option A, tax deducted at source, B, time deposit scheme, C, total deposit scheme, D, none of the above. Answer is option A, tax deducted at source. Question number 17. What is the full form of IMPS? Option A, immediate payment service, B, immediate payment sector, C, instant payment service, D, instant payment sector. Answer is option A, immediate payment service. Question number 17. What is the full form of MDR? Option A, maximum discount rate education, B, merchant discount rate, C, micro discount rate, D, none of the above. Answer is option B, merchant discount rate. Question number 19. What is the full form of UPI? Option A, Unified Processing Invention, B, Unified Payments Interface, C, User Processing Interface, D, Ultra Payment Interface. Answer is option B, Unified Payments Interface. Question number 20. What is the full form of PPP? Option A, Purchasing Power Parity Education, B, Public-Private Partnership, C, Purchase Produce Provide, D, People's Program and Priority. Answer is option B, Public-Private Partnership.